What's up, everybody? Mike here. This is the LexFest LC500 group meet organized by Brian. That's Brian's car right here. And I freed up. So I went home, switched cars, and brought my LC out. And you can see, nice little lineup for a Saturday night. Impromptu, just kicking it, chilling. And we don't say no to good company. Beautiful Aston Martin Vantage here. So yeah, we're gonna do some more of these in Atlanta and around. I'm gonna try to get these things a little more organized, but managing the forums or the groups has been great. Everybody's so wonderful for the most part. I really appreciate that. A lot of camaraderie, everybody helping, and a lot of enthusiasm for Lexus's flagship and pinnacle car here, the LC500. We even have a guy here that has one on order. He doesn't, and he's like, oh, I had to come out to a meet to look for some inspiration in person. And that's the type of vehicle this is, right? Imagine, people come to the meet and they don't even have the car yet, right? That's the type of passion and that this car has created, which is wonderful. Lord knows, I'm on my second managing the two larger groups on Facebook. I mean, to going to Ibiza, meeting Koji Sato, building one of the first ones 8 years ago. I mean, this car is very special to me personally in my heart. So I love to see the enthusiasm, try to support it as much as I can. So again, shout out to Brian. Appreciate you connecting everybody, and more to come. Peace.